Hi, it's Shelly. Welcome back to my channel. What are we doing today? Have you ever heard of a restaurant in Puerto Morelos and just kind of wondered, where is that? And can I get to it from the square downtown? I'm going to take you on a walking tour today of what I consider to be the main street in Puerto Morelos, Portside, which is Javier Rojo Gomez. This is the divided street that runs north-south when you first arrive at the intersection in Portside in Puerto Morelos. In this video, we're going to start at the square and walk all the way up to the Fives, which is at the very top end, the north end of the street. We're just doing the east side of the street today, and in another video I'll do the west side. Google Maps says this is a 13-minute walk, and it's 1.1 kilometers. So depending on how quickly you walk, it take you somewhere around 15 minutes to get there. So let's get going. Okay, so on the corner is the jewelry store, Drops of Gold and Silver. You can also access the stairs up to tacos.com above from here. There's some cute street art here at Hunab Ku Balam, which offers a wide variety of local artisan crafts, jewelry, and art. Next is the Godfather Jewelry, and my understanding is that this is the best little jewelry store in Puerto Morelos, and Ruben and his wife are very honest, hard-working business people with fair pricing and excellent customer service. The Taqueria Los Chachalacos specializes in tacos, and they make their own tortillas right on site. Apparently they have an al pastor going all the time. We haven't tried them yet, but the reviews are really good, and they have a full bar including margaritas. The Spider Cafe is next, and it's a fairly new restaurant. This place offers burgers, salads, drinks, beers, and coffees, as well as being a tattoo studio and rental for electric scooters. The reviews are mixed, so you might just need to check it out for yourself to see what you think. The grounds are really cool, and they sometimes have entertainment. Next up is La Pizza Nostra. The menu includes pizza, of course, as well as Argentina empanadas, steaks, salads, pastas. Pizza Nostra is ranked as the #1 pizza in Puerto Morelos, but you'll have to check it out for yourself, and you could be the judge. El Pirata boasts fresh, well-made food, organic products grown in the restaurant garden, catch of the day, and totally fresh local ingredients are the stars at this restaurant. Comfort food, the sign out front says, and the menu includes seafood, Mexican food, soup, sandwiches, pastas, salads, grilled meats, and sandwiches. On Saturdays, Chef Carla serves up a fabulous paella class at 4 p.m. The reviews here are excellent. I really suggest you try it. We had a Christmas dinner here, and it was delicious. Los Robles, coffee shop, juice bar, all-day breakfast. Really cute bohemian vibe, and has vegetarian options. Reviews are very good for both food and atmosphere here. Looks like a lovely spot to chill over a meal or a beverage. Another jewelry store along here. As we walk along here, I'm going to give you a little bit of information about Puerto Morelos. Temperatures here range from an average daily highs in January of 28 degrees to 30 degrees in July and August, and lows of 18 to 23. In 1980, the population was 672. In 2020, it has risen to over 26,000. Huge growth in this little fishing village. The marine terminal in Puerto Morelos is equipped to handle containers and is an important seaport in Quintana Roo. Puerto Morelos was named after independence leader Jose Maria Morelos. 100 meters offshore is the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef, which is designated as a national marine park. In 2015, Puerto Morelos merged with village of Leona Vicario to become the 11th municipality in Quintana Roo. They just celebrated their anniversary on January 6th. So here we are now at the first intersection, Adolfo Lopez Mateos. Next up is the Hotel Gota de Sol, which is an informal hotel that's laid back, happy, accommodating, and on the beach. Reviews are mixed. You'll love it or you hate it. It depends on what you're looking for, I guess. You can get a COVID test here too. There's a small tour booth here as well, and it has a cool map of the Yucatan Peninsula so you can see where you might want to tour to. Next up is the former food truck village. Unfortunately, the food truck village is closed, but the property is being used as a collectivo urbano, or an organic market. I'm not really sure when they're there. You might want to check with their Facebook page to get current information. I'm really sad about the food truck village. We didn't go before it closed. We just didn't have enough time when we visited 2 years ago. So we're hoping it will reopen, but it might be just wishful thinking. If anybody knows, put it in the comments below. We would really like to check this out if it does reopen this season. Ojo de Agua has a long sign advertising COVID test availability there. On the corner is a Six convenience store where you can grab snacks and drinks. Then there's the opening to Ojo de Agua complex. There's a hotel, restaurant and bar, and a beach club. More pretty stonework here. And we got some cute pastel beach hotels and residences along here. So while we're walking along here, I'm going to give you a little bit more information about our little town. Puerto Morelos is divided by a highway and a mangrove swamp into 3 sections. West of the highway is known as La Colonia, the section just east of the highway as known as Colonia Pescadores, and the coast east of the mangroves as known as Puerto or Portside. Portside is a mix of private homes, hotels, condos, restaurants, and tourist shops. The Colonia side is mainly dwellings for local people, and many expats live up here as well. Many new residential developments have sprung up in recent years, adding to the housing mix. Up at the corner here we have another beach access. Most of the beaches in Puerto Morelos are accessible to the public, so weekends find a perfect blend of locals, tourists, and expats enjoying the beautiful sand and water. We're now at the intersection of Ejército Mexicano. This is where you access the Ojo de Agua cenote that comes up into the ocean just offshore here. You can snorkel it from shore if you don't want to go out to the reef. Beautiful flora along the fence here. Everything is so green. Next intersection is Vicente Guerrero. Moving along, there are condos, some lots, and more condos. Next intersection is Plutarco Ilias. And here we have the Angel Wings photo op spot. There's a really impressive rock wall along here. And here we have an example of a property for sale on this street. Continuing along, we have more residential areas here, more beautiful flowers. Ocean Homes here is a very impressive property. Just beautiful. Coming along here, we're going to come across a couple of beach clubs. First is Unico and their associated restaurant, La Cantina. And then the entrance to Unico Beach Club. This is one of our favorites, and we have done reviews for this one, as well as the Diving Lodge downtown, which is next here. Continuing north, there are some more residences. Casita Blanca. Some lovely building art here on the corner, and another beach access. It's really a lovely neighborhood up here at the north end of this street. I recently saw a condo for sale advertised in this complex, so check out the local realtors if you're looking to buy here in Puerto Morelos. Just beautiful. Okay, we have reached the Fives Hotel and the end of the street. The Roll Marley Bar is located here as well. I hope you've enjoyed this walking tour of Javier Rojo Gomez going north. In my next video, we'll explore coming back south on the other side of the street, heading back down to the square. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.